Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So we are from team 7 and today we will show you all how to cook steamed brownies. And here's the members from group 7. Start from myself. My name is Akbar Pratama.
My name is Abidah Ardeliyah.
My name is Sefrida Zakiya Ramadhani.
My name is Zellia.
My name is Gustina Pratiwi.
And let's start cooking. Alright everyone, so here are the ingredients that we need. First of all, 2 eggs. The second one is a baking soda, cooking oil, flour, sugar, cocoa powder, sweetened condensed milk, cheese, mineral water. Next, here are the tools that also we need. First, tablespoon, spatula, baking dish, and the last is mixer.
First, crack the egg. And add 6 or 7 tablespoons of sugar. Whisk them until they are a bit foamy. No need to make them too thick and pale. Add a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Then add 5 tablespoons of flour and mix again until smooth. Now add the chocolate powder and mix it well. After that, pour in sweetened condensed milk and stir it again. Next, add the cooking oil and mix it. Make sure everything is mixed evenly. Now prepare the baking dish. Grease the baking dish with butter. So the brownies won't stick to the baking dish. Then
Pour the brownie batter into the baking dish and sprinkle a bit of flour inside.
And last, steam the brownies for about 15 to 20 minutes. When they are done, take them out of the steamer. You can add cheese on top.
So that's how we make the steamed brownies.
It's so soft and smells really good.
Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.